Welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $10 every day in your home without doing anything, without even stressing yourself. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $10 every day just by completing simple tasks. If you guys want to learn how to do this, all you have to do is just stick to the end of this video because I'll be revealing an important thing that you don't want to miss. Okay, if it's your first time coming on this channel, this is King Marvis TV, and what we do, we post profitable tips and tricks on how to make money online and other stuff like guides on how to do some other stuff like how to's, stuff like that, tutorials and stuff like that. So if you find it interesting, please smash that subscribe button and smash the like button and leave a comment. Maybe the comment can just be like, thank you boss Marvis, or something like that. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, first, the thing you're going to do is just go to Play Store, down search for porn app. Okay, as you can see, I've downloaded it already, so I'm just going to click on open. Open is going to take some time. Open. Okay, okay, okay. And another thing about this app, you can also make money by doing referrals. Okay, I already have an account with them, but if you don't have an account, you can either continue with email or Google, but use Google is more preferable and less stressful. Okay, I already have an account with them, so I'm just going to click on this. Okay, I'm into the app. Okay, so the thing you can basically do on this app, you can complete tasks, and as you share your internet, they pay you. As you can see, people have been cashing out from this. They have been cashing out, and for every referral, for every person you refer onto this app, you get $3. Okay, the minimum payout is $5. So $5 is the minimum you can withdraw, but that $5 is easy for you to get. Maybe you can get it by doing surveys, playing games, or sharing data or internet. Anyone. Okay, I click on this start sharing. As you can see, sharing internet now. So they will be paying me for this internet I'm sharing. As you can see, you are now earning. See, they'll be paying me for this internet I'm sharing. So let's go and talk about the other ways that you can earn. See my current earnings from sharing, 0.025 dollars or cents. So see the ways you can earn. So I'm just going to go and put this my setting on, this my location setting on. Okay, okay, okay. So this is how you just earn money. You see this one, Torox, from $2 to $200. This one should be survey. Should be survey. From $1 to $100. These are surveys. They are surveys. See another survey here. So just imagine, I'm going to do one right in front of you guys to see that this is not a joke. You can really make money from this. Just gonna put 1995. Just put a random number. I don't actually know Nigeria postal code. Just put any one. No, and just put about because I'm doing this very quickly. Okay, as you can see, I've been rewarded $0.20. So you can just continue doing this and you'll start getting paid. You can just continue doing this, just continue doing it for the entire day, and you can make up to $10 or even more. Okay, so I'll just answer the survey. Blah 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 blah. Okay, okay. The tone is because I rushed. It's because I rushed. See some other surveys. Some other surveys. So they're going to be giving you surveys based on based on how many surveys you complete in a day. If you complete about one or two or three, they'll be giving you more surveys to complete. But surveys is not the only way you can make money. Let's go to this quest and you'll see. You can easily make money by doing quests. Let me claim this. I claimed 2 points. Claimed another point. You can easily make money from surveys, playing games, sharing data. Okay, I'm going to be revealing a secret to you guys. Well, maybe if you have an auntie or uncle that is using Wi-Fi, that is using maybe all this fiber one Wi-Fi or unlimited Wi-Fi, the best thing if you want to really make money from this app, the best thing you can do is maybe go to their place and just ask them for their Wi-Fi password, and you'll be using the unlimited Wi-Fi, or if it's limited, still you'll be using it like that. You'll be browsing and also be making free money. So if you guys found this video valuable or interesting, please subscribe and like my video. As you can see, my balance just increased. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. God bless you all.